Hi, Ayyan. No, Ayyan. Ayyan.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
I don't hear you properly.
Wow, that's weird. Is it linked here? It is. Yep, everything should be fine.
Yeah, I hear you now. Is your camera working or not?
Nope.
It's still not working?
Yeah, it's not working.
Okay.
All right,
Oh, wait, I think I do have a problem.
we're gonna start with a review.
Okay, just give me 1 second.
All
Let me
right,
put,
I'll write down the review code while we're waiting. Was that everything we covered? Did we cover anything else?
let me check. I think
All right.
I think so, but I think yeah, I think that everything, yeah.
Okay.
You want me to copy that?
Yep.
Okay.
502. Oh, okay. Didn't see you slide in. I should probably turn on waiting room. All right, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna send a link in chat. So you just want to go to this link, and then you want to create an account, and let me know once you've done that, and I'll get you through the next step. Let me turn on waiting room so I'm at least notified when someone joins. Hmm?
Hey, on.
Yeah.
I don't know why I have a little light bulb on mine.
If you have a little light bulb, that's fine. It's just a REPL thing.
Is there a way to remove it?
No, I don't think so. I haven't I've seen it before. I just don't know how to use it.
Oh, okay.
Were you were you able to create an account, Suchas or Suhas?
It's too hot.
Suhas, okay. Suhas, were you able to create an account yet? Using the link I gave? I'm not able to unmute. That's fine. You can use chat if you really wanna. Were you able to create an account? It's not a thing on my end, by the way. Sachi's able to unmute, so Hello? Hold up, let me try this. If I can hit this button. Suhas, were you able to?
Audience,
Yeah.
mine is wrong.
Well, if you didn't.
Literally, literally everything.
Alright, one second. Suhas, yeah, you want to select Python and then hit create. Sachi, just copy paste your code into chat.
Okay. Can I not share my screen? Audience,
Yeah?
can I not share my screen?
I'm sharing right now, so you can just send the code in chat. It's probably a simple error. We didn't have any indents anyway.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'm gonna send it to you privately.
Alright, sure.
Send it.
Well, alright, sure. Alright, first, Suhas, share your screen, and then Sahi.
It's Sachi.
Sachi. Suhas, you can share for. Did I not enable it? No, it is enabled.
No, it is enabled.
Yeah, it is enabled. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Just hit the X where you see code editor. URL. Yeah, hit that. Yeah, perfect. All right. So, why don't you wait here? I'll help Sahi, and then we'll start. So like,
It's
me will.
Sachi.
Okay, Sachi. I'll help Sachi, and then we can continue. So Sachi, why don't you share?
Sure.
Why does it say from multi-line?
Hmm?
Oh, it does just say from multi-line. Where'd you get from multi-line from? I didn't have that.
Yes, you did.
You want me to share? I didn't have from multi-line.
Yes, you did. You think copy drama sucks?
See? I had multi-comment.
No, on line 8.
Yeah, multi.
I don't know
I
what I don't know what's going on. Can you help me?
right. Why don't you share first? Because there's a couple of things you're missing, so I'm trying to think about how we can do this. All right, I guess you can delete the from multi-line part.
Mm-hmm.
and from.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then we'll write print hello. Alright, you already did that. You did that. You
I
did
said
that.
print. I said print love.
Yeah, could you delete lines 1 and 3? They're all blank.
Okay. I did.
Alright. Could you on line 4, instead of printing Y, you have to be printing L because you set it to L.
Oh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Alright, and then we're gonna create a secondary variable called Y. So on a new line, like line 4, hit enter. No, this was just a review, but I'll explain it to you. We're gonna do Y is equal to 10.
Mm-hmm.
Then we're gonna do print Y on a new line.
Oh.
Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
In parentheses, Y should be in parentheses, like on line 4.
Why is my print spelling wrong?
It's not.
Okay. What's next?
Let's see. On line 8, you need to put a hashtag before the C in comment.
Where did this another multi-line came from?
Just delete that.
Okay. A hashtag?
Yep.
Where? I don't see it. Let me visit.
Hold shift hit 3.
Yeah, but a hashtag.
Hold shift hit. There you go. Alright,
Why is it gray?
because that's what commented code looks like.
Okay.
On line 9, add a ending parentheses after Y. Hold shift hit 0. And then after str, get rid of that ending parentheses.
Here?
No, after the word str. Oh, you see, yeah, there you go. Now run it. Actually, there's no X. Replace the X with L
Hmm?
and then run it. That should fix everything.
Okay. What is this? Poetry NV list full path.
I don't know. I think that's downloading something.
Is there a way to delete it?
Yeah, that's the output, so it should be fine. Did you print Y? Why did it print love twice? Oh, okay, you set it to the same phrase. All right. Let
No,
me,
wait. Wait, audience.
what?
Is there a way I can delete that? Because I don't want it.
Delete. Yeah, you can just hit the X trash bin and run again.
Okay. It's still showing there.
Oh, then you can't get rid of it now.
Okay. You can share.
Okay. Is it on my side? It is, yeah. See a little this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's part of REPL.
And then run it again if you want.
Hmm?
If you don't press one.
Oh yeah, I will later.
Okay. What's next?
Alright, let's start. So, since we have one new student, I'm just gonna go over what we learned last class. So we
Mm-hmm.
learned about print statements, which is right here. We learned how to create a variable, how to print a variable, how to create a number and print a number, a single comment. So comments are basically lines of code that are not run. So if I run this, right, there's not a single line here that says single comment. Same thing with multi-comment on line 7, 9, 8, and 9 and 10. It says multi-comment, and you'll notice that it doesn't actually it doesn't print anything
Why?
because it's a comment. That's for the users to read and not the program.
Okay.
And on line 10, 11, we learned about conversions. So X is a string, meaning that it's words, while Y is a number. So in order to combine the words and number together, we have to make the number into a word because we cannot make a word into a number
Why?
because you can't make a number, you can't make words into numbers, right? But you can make numbers into a word. Um, you can make numbers into a word type. They don't have to be a word, but they can be a word type.
Like, for example, O and E makes one, right?
Yes, but instead of actually spelling it out, it just puts it in number form. You can see right here. Hello world was our X and 10 was our Y.
Okay.
All right, moving on from that, we're going to start today with if statements. So, one thing you're going to have to write first, hold up, is we're going to first start off by writing uh A is equal to 20. All right. Then we're gonna say if A is bigger than, let's say, 10, we can say A is greater than 10. Otherwise, we can say A is less than 10. So let's break this down. First of all, we have our letter A, all right? So A is 20. That means whenever we see the variable A, which is not in parentheses, so this is not the variable A, this is the variable A. So whenever you see that A, you can replace it with 20. So it's basically asking if 20 is bigger than 10, then print that A is greater than 10. Otherwise, print A is less than 10. So since 20 is bigger than 10, it will print A is greater than 10. So if I run it, it says A is greater than 10. However, if I set this to like negative 20, right, by putting a minus sign, negative 20 is less than 10, so it will print A is less than 10. So
What does the A stand for?
it's just a variable.
Okay.
You can call it whatever, you don't have to call it A. But A is simple, so I made it A.
So like I didn't write L.
What happened?
So like I didn't type in like L is equal to equals less than 10. I
You
mean
can say, well, you already used the L. You need to use a different letter. So you can say A is
S
equal to, yeah, you
S.
can say S is equal to like 20 or something, or 80.
Okay.
All right. You guys can mess around with the numbers too, by the way. Everything is changeable. You can change the variable name, you can change the numbers, and yeah. Mm-hmm.
I'll be back, Ayyan.
What happened?
I'll be right back.
All right. Let's see. Suhas, were you able to finish the code? Oh, okay. What's the syntax error say? Me or who? Yeah, I don't think you need any commas. You want to share your screen? Let me see. You don't want lines one and two because you don't. Well, you can keep line one. You can't keep line two because you don't have X and Y. You haven't defined them. You can keep line one. You can't keep line two. So you can, if you could delete line two. And for line six, you just forgot quotes. So you notice how the top text for line four is orange. You need to make a line six also orange. So yeah, you had to put a yeah, click there and put start quotes, and then at there, yep, end quotes. All right, and then if you run this, there you go. If you want to clear the console so it's easy to read, you see the trash bucket next to the word console? No, no, you see the word console? Yeah, yeah, yeah. There's a trash bucket, clear that. Click it. And then if you hit run, there you go. Now it's cleaner. All right. Since you finished and Sachi is gone, we will move on.
I'm here.
Oh, you're back. Okay.
I'm not done yet. Can you just hold on?
Oh, okay.
Thank.
Oh, ghost code.
Hey, audience.
Yeah.
Can I share my screen for a minute?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks. I don't know. I did it right, but I didn't know why it's saying file not available.
All right. Share your screen.
Yeah, sure.
You forgot a colon
Where?
on 11.
Here?
Yep. No,
After.
after 7, but yeah. And then hit enter. And then write print. And then I'll share again. Let me
Now what?
share. Let me share what the text should look like. So
Okay. Oh, what's Papa doing?
here you go.
Uh, okay. Hey, audience.
Yep.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Tia, let me share my screen.
Well, what's wrong?
It's good, but I don't want. It's still showing file.
All right. Share your screen, maybe. What file?
11.
That's because you didn't clear the. That's because you didn't clear the prompt.
What prompt?
The console. It works. If you go to the console and you clear it, you run it again.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's next? Whoops. I don't want to do. I wanted to only do it once. Okay. What's next?
All right. Is it letting me share? Yeah. All right. Cool. So what time is it? All right. Yeah, we burnt through time. All right. Cool. So the next type of loop we're going to talk about is called a for loop. And
Okay.
the way a for loop works is that it only repeats a certain number of times.
You
So it
mean
can,
you mean forever?
no for loop.
Huh?
So the way the syntax looks like, it's for I in range.
I thought forever loop like in Scratch means it repeats it all over.
Yeah, but this isn't Scratch, so it's a bit different. So here's how a for loop works. And inside here you can print stuff. So I'm gonna print I. I mean you can do a lot, you can do whatever you want in here, but I'm gonna print stuff. So the way this works is a bit complicated in the way that, okay, a for loop works, it only works a certain number of times. In our case, we made it work 10 times because that's why it's in the range function,
So we make
right?
it as many times as we want.
Yes, but preferably if you go too high, it will lag. So preferably between 10 and 20.
What do you mean by it will lag?
It'll be too much for the computer to handle.
Okay.
All right. So we set it to work 10 times. And when I run this, you'll notice if you look at my like ending console, right? Notice how it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I, in this case, is what number it's currently at. So the way it's working is it's saying
Does the
0.
wait, Ion.
Yeah.
When I see this, it's only going up to 9, not 10.
Yeah, I was about to explain that. So the way it works is that since uh Py all programming languages, they
Mm-hmm.
don't start counting from one, they start counting from zero. So if you count it, it goes zero, one, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that is technically 10 iterations because there's
Okay.
9 proper iterations and then there's a 10th one. So if you count it, right, let's count how many things it got printed. One,
One,
two,
two,
three,
three,
4,
four,
5,
five,
6,
six,
7,
seven,
8,
eight,
9,
nine,
10.
10.
So it printed 10 things out, but it started at 0 instead of 1.
Okay. Do we also have to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me take a picture. Hey, Ayon.
Yeah.
I have a file error again.
What's the error?
15. Line 15.
All right, let me see. What's the error say?
Um, line 15, print I in range 17 colon. And
All
it's
right.
a,
Yep,
uh,
something's wrong. Why don't you share your screen?
yeah, sure.
Oh boy. All right. So first, we want to go to line 15, the start of line 15, and you want
Oops.
to delete the indent. You want to delete the print. You should delete the I. You didn't really copy the code, did you? Were you not able to see it?
I did, I took a picture.
All right. So the code is for
For
I, so you can get rid of the print. Everything's fine. Just don't get rid of the print, you know? Yeah.
I,
Get rid of print.
get rid of it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Um, could you try running it? I just want to see what error it's giving right now.
Sure, here.
All right, cool. So after create a new line. Um,
What happened?
create a new line.
It's not letting me with my other other code I made.
Yeah, because there's an error, so it'll stop it.
Okay,
Yeah.
but
So hit enter. Right, and then you're going to write print. Yeah, hit tab, hit tab, hit tab. There you go. Now run. Yes, there we go.
why is mine up to 16?
Because you put 17 in the range function. So it's always one less than what the number is.
What do you mean?
So you know how you put 17 into your range function?
Yeah,
Yeah, you got 16 as an output. You know how I put 10 in my range function?
yeah.
Yeah, I got 9 as my final output. So it's always one less.
Okay.
All right. Suhas, how's it going?
Mama, can you take this so the milk won't get spoiled?
Suhas, how's it going? You get an update.
What's next, Ion?
Well, if Suhas is done, then we're gonna move on.
So, Haas, are you done?
What happened?
I'm not, I'm just asking if he's done.
Yeah, is he done? Let me see. Oh yeah, he done. All right. Cool. So, here's the thing. You know how this entire thing we've been talking about is how it starts at 0 and ends at 9?
Yeah.
Well, we can technically fix that.
But
So,
wait,
you
what?
know,
What do
yeah,
you
we can
mean?
fix that by doing for I in range. And instead of doing 10, we're gonna do 1, comma, and then instead of 10, I'm gonna say 11. I want to go one more than what the number I want. So if I wanted to print until 10, I put 11 instead.
I don't get it.
I'll show you. So let's say, what number do you want it to print to?
Um, 29.
All right. So 1 plus 29 is 30. So instead of putting 29 here, you're going to put 30. So the way this works is that it makes it, instead of starting from 0, it starts from 1. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wait a minute, where's the zero?
There's no more 0 because we put a start. We're telling it wants to start at 1 and end on 10. And here we're telling it to start at 0 and end on 9. That's the difference.
Okay. Do we have to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Ayyan,
Yeah,
can you help me? Because if I do it myself, I'll end up wrong.
try it out first, and then I can fix it.
Okay. Hey, Ayyan,
Yeah.
can I share my screen?
Mm-hmm.
I did it right, but I don't know what I did wrong.
All right, let's see. Line 17 should be unindented, and the error is that you didn't finish the code. So 17, if you delete the front thing, it should be
Like
fine.
this one?
Right here.
Okay.
No, no, yeah. Yeah. Just hit like delete. Nope, okay. Hit enter again. All right. Hit backspace right now. There you go.
And
And
then put,
now all you have to do is finish the code because you didn't, yeah, that's why it's giving error. It's because you didn't write
let me
this line
try.
right here.
And, and I did. I said stop at 17 and then do it, and, and with 16.
Okay.
Then why did it let me ever?
Huh?
It's still giving me an error. Hold on, maybe I have to change the word. Hold on. Ding. And on. Hey, on.
Yeah.
Can you let me share my screen?
Okay.
I still got an error.
Because you didn't finish the other line. There are two lines. You didn't finish them both.
I did two.
All right. The first line you wrote was for I in range 16. By the way, that should be 1 comma 17.
Where?
All right. 1 second. All right. Let me share and explain two things that are wrong with the code.
Hmm.
All right. The first thing is that in the range function you did for I in range 16, it should be 1 comma 17 if you want to print to 16. That's one thing right here.
Okay.
Second, you forgot this line right here where you're printing I. You didn't do that, so it's not going to print anything. It'll give an error.
I still don't get it.
Why not? What's wrong?
I still don't understand it.
Well, try out the code first.
Okay, give me 1 second. I said I in range 16 and start at 17 and and on 16. What do I have to okay, give me 1 second. I did it, Ayan.
Okay.
So Haas, are you done?
Yeah. 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 Hello?
No, I'm just asking if Sue Haas is done.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. Suhas, you done?
Hey, he said my window dot close.
Like, Suhas, do you mean Google window or command prompt window?
Maybe you should type REPL.
Replit tab. All right. You want to open it again? Or like,
मेरे को चाहिए So what are we doing now?
no. We're waiting for Suhas to see.
Okay. It's the night. To Haas, did he got your weapon
Huh?
back? I'm asking if he got his weapon back.
Yeah, were you able to get your info back?
Were you? He said yes.
All right. So here's the thing. We have like 2 minutes left. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to name it. So if you click on the auto-generated name here and you go to name, you can type whatever you want here. I'll call it like Python day 2,
Oh no.
and then yeah.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
What would you do?
When I press I wanted to change the name, something bad happened.
What happened?
I have no idea.
All right. Let's see. Share your screen. All right. Go to unnamed,
Where?
the folder called unnamed.
Uh where is that? Where is that? Oh, right here. Yeah.
All right. And then we're gonna go to this one.
Fuzzy.
Yeah. Then we're gonna go here. We're gonna
Then
type something here. And then yeah.
how do you save it? Ion.
Huh?
How do you save it?
It saved itself. Yeah.
So when I go back
Uh-huh.
and when I go to my REPL,
Uh-huh.
Sachi's code.
There you go.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, cool.
Hold on. So
All right.
Haas, were you able to name yours?
All right.
Getting an error, he said. Ion.
Yeah?
He said that he has an error.
All right. Suhas, you can share. All right. So, line 9, go to where it says 4. No, actually, line 7, go to where it says 4. Actually,
Ion, can I
hold up.
leave?
Yeah, sure. Hold up. 1 second, one
Okay.
second, 1 second. What's his name? Suhas. Select, highlight these lines, all 4
Okay.
of these.
See you next week, Ion.
Yeah, yeah. Keep going, keep going. All right, now hit hold shift and hit tab once. All right, perfect. Now select this line right here. Like double click on it. Yeah, line 9, double click. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then do the same thing again. Shift tab. Perfect. And then you're gonna say for after it says for I in range, you're gonna do for I in, right? You need to write that. Yeah, right there. In space. Yeah. And then you're gonna delete the 1 to 10 part, and put parentheses, open. Yeah, then do 1, comma, 11, end parentheses, and then add a colon. All right, now hit run. All right, cool. So yeah, that's it. All right, then see you next week.